So this kit's going to be a common use thing. A lot of mid-engines and anything that has heat close by. It's just being a very soft aluminum. The very first pitch of the thread, kind of cross-threaded, but you just got to clean it up. Make sure you don't force it in there. Don't really play around. Just as soon as you see any threads that are in need of being cleaned up, just go ahead and do that. Picking up Josh's Tesla wheel. It ended up getting repaired by this little trailer here in the parking lot. He's got pretty good business. All these cars here for wheel repairs and touch-ups. And I even got a quote for myself. One of my Advents has a very small baby rat. I quoted $85 to get that taken care of, so maybe for another day. But yep, here's the wheel and we're ready to go.